Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Angel here, what it do? And today you guys, I'm coming at you with an unboxing. So if you want to see what I got, then keep on watching. Okay. Alright you all, so I'm coming at you with an unboxing. You guys, y'all know I haven't bought anything in months. I'm talking about months, sister girl. So I finally got my hands on something. I haven't been to the outlets, you guys, in quite some time. Probably since like before Christmas, I think. It's been a minute since I've been to the outlet. So one of the last times I was there, I went to Michael Kors and I saw this and I didn't buy it. Why? I don't know. I just said it was cute in the video. Then I want to say like a month ago, Mo Knows Beauty bought one of these and I was like, just get it, sis, just get it. I was gonna go to the outlet, but my husband has me on lockdown, y'all. He really don't want me out in public. I be sneaking. So I ordered this online and I got a really good deal on this. So let me show you. Like I said, it's from Michael Kors. So let's open this up. Y'all, this is so cute. I've been wanting one of these. I do not have one of these. So hopefully this works out. I got me a fanny pack, y'all. Oh my god. These are so cute. Let me go through it, y'all, so I can find the name. But it's the fanny pack with the, this makes all kind of noise. This is the fanny pack with the detachable card case right here in the front. Like that, you can completely take it out. It's detachable too. Let me take all of this off, y'all, and then I'll come right back. Alright, you all, so I have all of that off. This is called the Macy, M-A-I-S-I-E, Macy waist pack in leather. It's black. I want to say Mo Knows Beauty is in, hers is in either, I don't think it's red. It might be like a fuchsia color maybe. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. These did come in a few colors when I saw it at the outlet. This does have silver hardware. Y'all, this is so cute. This retail for $548. Can y'all? Yeah, $548. Who? No. But this is so cute, y'all. I have been wanting a fanny pack for quite some time. I didn't even take none of this out. And I just never bought one. This thing is spacious. Look at that. Oh my goodness. It has a little card slide back here in the back. A little care booklet back here in the back. This thing is spacious. Now I must say there is no zipper or anything on the back. It's just leather. The one thing that I must say is that I wish this was leather or at least black, because this throws me off, but whatever. So it does have like this little lip right here that covers the zipper. Yeah, this is so cute. I'm talking about, I ain't took none of this out. So you have a little slot right here. Maybe you can put your gum, your candy, your card holder if you want. I would never use this as a card holder. I will probably, if anything, like when I go to the doctor or something, I put like my insurance cards in here, but I wouldn't wear this on the outside. This most definitely is going to go on the inside. Let me take this. Come on, baby. Okay. So you can wear it like a little wristlet because it attaches and detaches, but only on one side, as you can see. Let me turn it like that. So it's only the little attachment on one side. but almost, yes, it'll fit in here. Plenty of room. This is so cute, y'all. Now let me see how this fits on me. Okay, so the strap is not detachable. It's only adjustable right here, and it does say Michael Kors right there. So let's see. So if you all can see, it fits right here. It fits so good, and we love that. This is so, yes. What have I been waiting on all this time? Like, this is perfect. Y'all, this is so good. Let me tell you how much I paid for this, sis. Are you ready? I think when I saw it at the outlet, it was $129. I got this on michaelkors.com, y'all. $89. What? Sis, $89? Love that for us. A win is a win is a win. Now I want one in another color. Oh, yes. Yes. See, one thing that turns me off for Michael Kors is the MKs everywhere. I really don't care for that at all. But this, I can do this. Even with this right here in the front, it's not that bad. But like I said, I wouldn't carry this right here. But this little MK right here, it doesn't bother me. I love this. Y'all get one. I'm going to link it, okay? $89, sis. It's black. It's leather. You can't beat it, sis. Okay. Alright, you all. So that pretty much concludes this video. If you enjoyed this, please give me a big thumbs up. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Y'all get y'all one of these. Get you one of these. I love y'all, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.